Hi, my name is Vern Hao. Welcome to Word of Health, Word Show, episode 12. In this episode, we're going to talk about one main common improvement that is called progressive strength gain. Now, this is more focused on workouts. If you're someone who is working out to kind of get that maximum level of strength in your body to maximize your iterations, your growth in your muscle, your calorie burn, your lost weight, then you need to do this one tip that I'm about to show you. I don't think this has been answered in any forums that I've been. People have been asking, what should I do to get more gain, more strength, more calories burned? That is me. If you are someone who is just a beginner to intermediate, I don't advise you to go to the next level in taking that new variation in workout. Do this one thing, that is add one more rep. Either do one more rep or do one extra movement. For example, if you're doing 10 push-ups a day, and if each push-up costs you 5 push-ups per rep, then do one more rep, that is 5, 5, and 5, 15. Or if you're doing a kind of plank, I've shown you planks before, one of the episodes. If you're not subscribe it now. If you're doing planks, if you're doing a 60-second, then add an additional half rep, add an additional 30 seconds to it. For example, you do 60 seconds, and then you rest, and you do 30 seconds of planking, and that should work. So, I hope this works, this helps you. Remember to subscribe, leave your comments, by the way. I live by your comments and your likes. This is Vern Hao, signing off, Word.